Have you ever wished there was an easier way to keep your teeth and gums feeling fresh and clean every day without all the hassle? Well, I found something that works wonders for me. The Pure Smile Professional Water Flosser. First off, let's talk about what this little powerhouse does. It uses a precise, high-pressure jet to gently remove food particles and stubborn plaque between your teeth. The result? Cleaner teeth and healthier gums in just a couple of minutes. Why should you consider this over regular flossing? Because it's quicker, easier, and gets to those hard-to-reach spots that floss sometimes misses. It's perfect for anyone who wants to level up their oral care routine without adding extra time or effort. What I love most about the Pure Smile is its large water tank. You don't have to keep refilling it, which makes the whole process seamless. Plus, it's rechargeable. That means no messing with batteries. Just charge it up and you're good to go for days. And here's the best part. It's travel friendly. Whether I'm at home or on the go, I can keep up with my oral care routine effortlessly. It even comes with multiple tips, so it's great for the entire family. For an extra boost, I pair it with the Pure Smile Concentrated Floss Drop Serum. This little bottle of Spearmint magic makes everything feel so refreshing. You can add it to the water flosser or dilute it as a mouthwash. It's natural, vegan, and customizable to your preferred strength. So if you're looking for a hassle-free way to keep your smile fresh and your gums healthy, give the Pure Smile Water Flosser a try. Your teeth will thank you.